Alright, what's really good, bros? Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix the noisy lifter tick on the NA Miata. Mine's got it pretty bad right now, so I'm going to address that issue right now. All you're going to need is Rotella T6 when you do your oil change, and then we're going to throw some of this in there. Lucas Heavy Duty Oil Stabilizer. So, yep, we're going to get right on that. Stick around. Alright, so now I just sat it up on jack stands, so I'll be ready to go. Alright, now all you want to do is just drain that oil out. I just took the plug out, so I'm going to let that all drain out. See, it's all dirty. Alright, so all that stuff just finished draining out. I'm going to pour a little bit of this leftover crap. This isn't what we're using, but it's going to flush out any residual stuff. So you just want to pour a little bit of that in there. Let's see, it should be coming out. There we go. See, it's taking out the rest of like the sludgy oil, so that way we'll have perfectly clean oil when we put the new stuff in. Alright, now we're just trying to take the oil filter off. It's down there by like the manifold thing.
Gonna have some oil spilling out.
Yeah, we got the pan down there.
I know, but I don't know if it's in the right spot.
Let me check on that.
Yeah. Go ahead. We're good on that. I got it right here in my hand.
Alright.
It's just hot as fuck.
Alright, so we just kind of twisted it off. There you see it, the old one. It's head all full of sludge.
Old contaminants.
Yep. So we're going to pop the new one in.
You can actually see it now, look. If you look in there, you can see where we took it off.
Let's see if I can get it.
It's right here under your...
There we go. It's hard to see.
manifold.
Yeah. He's kind of putting that in a tiny bit. Oh. Let's let that.
Right.
See that bubble?
That's good. We just want some in here, and then we'll
You want to lube up that gasket?
yeah, we'll cover the gasket. So get a good seal on that.
Yeah, it'll seal it up. That's gonna go right back in. Alright, you can see he's placing that in, trying to maneuver it in.
You gotta go kind of sideways.
If you got small hands, like Trump, that's probably better.
Just make sure not to cross thread it.
Let's see. So you want to dump in the Lucas?
Look at that fresh, clean oil. Do. Nice. It takes a little bit of time because it's so thick. The viscosity of that one is pretty thick.
Hella thick.
Like Grillo likes his ladies. Isn't he the one that inspired this channel?
Yeah.
He's inspiring a lot of channels. You can see how it's like globbing out.
It looks like that thing from Ghostbuster.
Yeah, like Slimer.
Ghost, yeah.
This is the way you're gonna want to do it though, to stop the lifter tick, unless you go with solid lifters. But this is a really good fix.
A cheap fix.
Cheap, simple, something you can do yourself, guys, for your Miata. Take care of your Miatas. Keep them on the road.
Don't part out. Remember, you're going to use the Shell Rotella T6.
5W40. This one's a lot thicker.
So we're going to put 2.5 quarts.
2.5 because remember we just used 1 quart of the Lucas. Some people don't go that extra step and use the Lucas. They just use all Rotella, which works also, because I had that in my car back there, but I switched it out. You can see
that viscosity. Mad viscosity.
how much you got in there.
Still a little bit of ways to go.
A little more, about another quart and a half, about another quarter. So kind of like 10 seconds. So let's see what we
It'd
got.
probably work better if they made it in the small.
I think they actually do.
I didn't see any. Next time.
That's what happens.
Tiny bit.
Third world problems, guys.
Alright, that's about good.
All right. Shout out to Big Dylan from Haggard Garage. We're gonna throw down a challenge.
There's his van actually down the street.
There it is. Let me see if
See
I
if we
can.
could zoom in on it. I
Am I-
saw him pull up earlier.
Oh, yep.
I think there's like a girl that lives there he likes.
Yeah.
I'm happy for him.
She's underage though. I'm kind of worried because I think I saw her walking with her backpack earlier.
Yeah.
But look, there's Dylan's van, guys. Fucking sick bastard. Keep your kids away from people like Dylan. Dylan from Haggard Garage.
Alright, don't forget the pan. That's what we forgot.
Go ahead and grab that pan from under there. And then we'll recycle this, guys. Don't forget to recycle that at your neighborhood Vato Zone.
Get in the zone.
At Vato Zone. We're just checking for leaks. But everything looks good. We used a nice Bosch air, what is that, an oil filter?
Premium.
Premium. So just go ahead and let's jack up the car and we'll take out that jack stand out of there. I think you should leave it about this high right there. That's a nice ride height. You won't have to worry about speed bumps or anything like that. Make it a donk. Put some 26s on it or something.
In memory of Ricardo.
Yeah. Well, I shouldn't be laughing, poor guy, man. I feel bad for him.
It's okay. He would have wanted us to smile and laugh.
Yeah, he was always laughing. That guy always had a smile on his face, man. Always making people laugh. Always telling jokes. Guy was just a good-hearted person, man. Can't even believe what happened to him after. Alright, so now she's on the ground. Got the pan out.
I miss my
Look at that.